This is 24-hour news live. So here we have Lego star Bob Naykid. Hey, I'm glad to be here. So, Bob, do you have any new adventures? Yeah, I used to be a monster truck driver. I remember it like yesterday. There was 1 million people cheering in the audience. It was so amazing. There was Dad, Mom, and some old hobo from across the street who thought he could bump some food off the vendors. But we didn't have any vendors. I was going to jump over a bunch of vehicles. We even had an announcer and trophies. I had to jump over a car, a scooter, another car, and the infamous Dr. Damage, an ambulance. Anyway, I remember the thrill of seeing the truck for the first time. I revved the engine and backed up, and it was amazing. I was about to jump. The audience watched breathlessly. I was airborne! I smashed into Dr. Damage. The audience screamed with horror. He survived! I was the hero! Then my belt broke. So, I won one of the trophies, you see. How? Didn't you lose? Nah, I was the only one who participated in the show. Also, I was the one who bought them. So it's only right for me to have the prize. Very unique. Well, that's all. This has been a 24 hours news live broadcast.